guys, so today's video is going to be my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box unboxings. I'm so excited. They got here yesterday and I'm like so dying to open them. I try not to look at too many spoilers, but yeah, I can't help it. Like, it's just a thing, it happens. So I kind of know what's in each of them. I can't wait to see exactly. Wow, I'm not wearing any jewelry. How weird is that? Also, ignore this. This is like disgusting and I have to go get it fixed after this. So I'm gonna be doing that. But yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So all three boxes came in one giant box. I don't even think I could fit in the frame, so I'm not even gonna try. Tons of tissue paper. I love keeping some of the tissue paper because it's just so pretty and it has this logo and I don't know, I'm weird like that. So this is the smallest box. I'm pretty sure this is the premium, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it. I never understand how to open this. I'm like so weird when it comes to this. Oh, this is the first thing I pull out. So this is the, I think, succulent gloss. I think this is the exclusive gloss for the premium. Oh my gosh, let's see what it looks like. I cannot wait to open it. Wow, I feel like I have one similar already from what I can tell by the color. Oh my gosh, it's so holographic. Hold on, wait till I show you. Look at how pretty that is. It is like a pink holographic with sparkle. So stunning. Let's swatch it. I'm definitely keeping this. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love the holographic. I love his gloss formula. It's sticky, but it's not too sticky and it definitely stays on the lips really nicely. So we have a beanie, which I knew was gonna be in here, and I love beanies as much as the next person. In fact, it's supposed to be 15 degrees here on Thursday, so definitely gonna need the beanie then. I haven't really worn beanies other than that, but look at how cute it is. Kind of obsessed. Oh, I don't want it to mess up my hair though, so I'm gonna take it off. Ooh, a pop socket. I've never actually owned a pop socket, like ever. Not even like a normal one. I don't use pop sockets, so I might put this in a giveaway. We'll see. I might end up using it. Tissue paper, and I think this is the last thing, and I think I know what this is, and I'm so excited for it. Let's open it. Well, I know what it is because the, paper. I'm so happy that he did this. Like, you did this right, man. You so did this right. I am so happy I finally got it because it is no longer available. I think he's making room for new stuff this year, so he discontinued Alien, and I'm so happy I get to have it in my collection. Wow, it feels a lot different than I thought it would. It's like a leather, like a faux leather type feeling. Oh my gosh, I am so happy to have this palette. It's gonna be difficult to store, especially in the setup I have now. Oh wow, these colors are gorgeous and I cannot wait to use them. I'm so happy he did this. Thank you, Jeffree, for putting this in the mystery boxes. This is like the one palette that I was missing in my collection from him. Well, no, I don't have like his OG palettes that were a completely different formula, and yeah. So that was the premium box. I'm pretty sure that's like the small one. Tons of tissue paper. I'm gonna have a whole garbage bag full of tissue paper. Next we've got the deluxe. Let's see what's in here. Finally figured out how to open this after 17 times of unboxing these on my channel. Well, the first thing we have is the tote, which is cute. I might give this away, I don't know. I haven't decided. It might be good for grocery shopping, to be honest, but I mean, that's a cute idea, I guess. Not like so happy with that. That's like, I feel like it shouldn't be one of the things. This is really nice though. This is one of the side bags that I believe this is an exclusive color that came in the mystery boxes. He came out with these for his Valentine's Day collection. So this I might actually use. This is probably good for like traveling and stuff. So that's cute. Ooh. Then we have a palette of some sort. I think this must be Brain Freeze, which I don't own either. Yep, this is Brain Freeze. Pretty happy about this. I'm glad I don't own it. It's a highlighter palette. So gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Wow, there's a couple of like not wearable shades here. For the most part, I think this is more wearable than the one that I think comes in the Supreme box. I'm not even gonna take this out of the packaging. This is Blue Blood. I will be giving this away. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you know what I'm giving away. So we've got quite a few lip products here. Wow, a ton of lip products. Is this Supreme or is this Deluxe? I don't even know now. There's a lot of lip products here. Okay, so here we have the liquid lipstick in the shade Blow Pony, which seems to be like a lavender color. Definitely up my alley. Wear these crazy colors. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is stunning. I will be wearing this. I will. I will definitely be wearing this. Wow, very excited about that. Then we have the shade Restraints, which seems to be like a metal, like a gunmetal, not gunmetal, how do I describe that? Like a taupey blue. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it has sparkle, that's cute. Reminds me a bit of Shane, but like less coppery. Yeah, definitely gunmetal actually. Wow, totally up my alley. Love it. Then we've got Mistletoe, which I actually already own in the 5-year anniversary collection. So this is also going to be going in the giveaway. So I'm gonna put this aside and not even swatch it. Then we've got another exclusive. I think this is another exclusive. This is Softcore Sparkle. And it seems to be like a purple color. Let's swatch it. So excited for this. Oh, it's so pretty. This is not as holographic. It just has like a lot of sparkle, which I love. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is stunning. This would look so cute over top the other one that I just swatched. Oh my gosh. Wow, it comes out a lot more pink than purple, but that is a stunning topper. It has so much glitter. Oh, I love this. And then we've got another gloss in the shade Ice Cold. Ooh, I think I wanted this one, so I'm glad it came in this. This is like a white with sparkle, perfect for like topping anything. So it's like, it's pretty much gonna be clear. This is a very nice thing that they put. Oh wow, it has like a holographic, like pink and purple specks. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, so we have the lip scrub in Mojito, which I actually already own and I'm trying to get through. I think this is the same one. So I'll be putting this one in a giveaway as well. We've got another pop socket, so I'll add this one to the giveaway. I'll probably keep one. This I'm excited about. I don't know why I'm excited about this, but we have a mirror. Oh my gosh. We have one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors. So let me open it because I want to see what it looks like. Honestly, like, I used to hate on the people that bought his mirrors. Like, I've seen people have every single mirror, like every mirror he's ever come out with, and I'm like, why do you need all that? But I love collecting mirrors now. I love this. This is so exciting, guys. If only I could open it. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. It's chrome and it's pink chrome and it's gorgeous, and I love like the new style, like the new shape. Definitely super cute. And I'm excited. So now I have 3 mirrors. I have the pink pig mirror, the Halloween mystery box mirror. I think it was just like an orange mirror. I don't know if it was an exclusive or what. And now I have this one. I'm not sure if this one is exclusive or if this is one of the shades that he launched with this Valentine's Day collection, but pretty excited about that, guys. I have to find a place to put this now. I have no idea. All right, and that's it for this box. I feel like that was the Supreme though. The Deluxe doesn't have that many items, does it? But this box looks bigger, so I don't know. Let's see. All right, so here is the other one. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I don't know if this is the Deluxe or what. This might be the Deluxe, yeah. I think I just opened the Supreme. The first thing I see here is a hat. I'm not a huge hat person, but I'll wear it, to be honest. I don't even know if I look good in hats. Wow, this is tight. My head is not even that big. No, it's too big, but you know what I mean. Do I look good in a hat, people? I don't even know. I'm not sure if I like this, but I'll keep it. Then we've got the shirt. I'm pretty sure this is the same design that you saw in the tote bag and the same design that is in the jacket that he just released that I wasn't really that interested in, but it's cute and I'll definitely rep him. So cute. Oh my gosh. There's another mirror. I'm so overwhelmed. A lot of lip products in these boxes. So we have another gloss in Candy Drip. And it seems to be like a pink Candy Drip. I thought that was like a green, but that's like for the highlighter, right? I don't know. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. That's definitely super wearable. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is stunning. That is so like a very nice everyday gloss. It's like a very nice pinky nude. You wanna focus? That is gorgeous. Let's swatch it. Definitely keeping this. It has a little bit of sparkle, but not too much. That is stunning. Wow, I'm impressed with all these lip products. Definitely loving this. And then there's the Question Mark Liquid Lip, which this might be the exclusive liquid lip. I think the ones in the red packaging are all exclusives, are they? I could be wrong. It looks like a burgundy, not burgundy, like a mauve burgundy, I don't know. Oh wow. It is definitely a chrome, like a Oh my god, I'm like, words are escaping me today. What the heck is wrong with me? It's a lot darker than it appears on the bottle for sure. But that is stunning. This is like literally my favorite color ever. Like I love this like mix of, there's like a hint of gold in there. Gold reflex. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Love it. Super cute. Very excited about that. I'm not even gonna open this because I know it's mini breaker. Pretty sure. Should I open it just in case? I'm gonna try not to rip it so I can put it back exactly the way it was. So if I add it in this giveaway, all right, yeah, it's mini breaker. Putting it back exactly the way it was. Definitely going in this giveaway. Then we've got some green straws. I love collecting these straws, so I'm not mad at this at all. I got the blue straws with the Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, and very, very excited about this. Definitely got use out of this for sure. Then we've got the 24 karat highlighter palette, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if this is gonna be too dark for me. It might be, but I could use them as eyeshadow toppers. I could use like the shades as eyeshadows, or I could just give away this palette. I don't know. Because I do self-tan in the summer, but really I think even if I self-tan, the only shade that'll work is this one. But this is such a gorgeous like eyeshadow shade, and so are the, like, I would use this. I would get used out of this palette. I wonder if I should give it to somebody who would probably use it more. I'll decide when I talk about the giveaway at the end of this video. And the last thing we have here is another mirror. Yes, it's white and gold. Definitely really excited about this. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, because I guess I'm used to having the pig mirror that's huge, but I think it's smaller than the Halloween orange mirror. But pretty excited about that. Definitely keeping this because I want to build up my collection of Jeffree Star mirrors. Now that this video is over, let me talk about what's going to be in the giveaway. So one person will win Blue Blood Jawbreaker, which I'm sorry, I just had to make sure it was Jawbreaker before I like gave it away and without even looking at it. And Mistletoe Liquid Lip, as well as a pop socket. So that's what's gonna be in this giveaway. I might throw in a few other things. I got duplicates of Natasha Denona highlighter in one of my BOXYCHARMs, and it's actually a shade way too dark for me, so I'm probably gonna give that, like, throw that in this giveaway too. I also have a giveaway going that ends on Friday for the duplicates that I got in the Lucky Bags from Beautylish. So if you want to enter that, go ahead and watch that. I'll leave it in the cards so you can watch it. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment on this video, relevant comment, talking about the products, Jeffree Star, why you would want to win, etc., like something like that. And just let me know your Instagram so I can make sure you're following me, and that's how I'll contact you as well. So that's all you have to do, and you'll win all of these things and maybe some other like random makeup items that I have duplicates of sitting around here. And the giveaway will end, I'll make it end on February 29th. So that's the last day of the month. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm so happy with everything I got. Like there were a lot of gloss, a lot of lip products pretty much. And then there's a couple of things that aren't gonna work. Everything, like the palettes, that's why I don't really like highlighter palettes, because it's hard to make a highlighter palette with diverse shades, and then you have it too diverse where deeper skin tones can't use the lighter ones and vice versa. So it's like, it's difficult, and I get it, but I think I'm gonna get used out of both of the highlighter palettes. Definitely get used out of all the liquid lips, and his merch I always love representing, and the alien palette I'm so excited. And I'm sorry that I'm very excited, but I am very excited, question mark. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.